In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF or digital file on ClickFunnels. We'll start right from your ClickFunnels dashboard. If you're not already there, sign in and you'll land on the main dashboard where you manage your funnels and settings. This is your home base for everything in your account. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Workspace Settings. This is where you manage the behind-the-scenes pieces of your workspace, including files and assets you want to host inside ClickFunnels. Opening this area keeps your content organized and easy to reuse across funnels. Inside Workspace Settings, select My Assets. Think of My Assets as your personal library. It's where your images, downloads, and other files live, so you don't have to upload them over and over again. Within My Assets, click the Downloads tab. The Downloads tab is specifically designed for files you want people to save or access directly, such as PDFs, ebooks, checklists, zip files, and other digital resources. Keeping downloads separate helps you find them quickly and keeps everything tidy. Now click Upload File, or you may see New Asset depending on your view. Choose the file you want to upload from your computer, like a PDF. Before you pick the file, it's a good idea to make sure it's named clearly and is the final version. Short, descriptive file names without spaces or special characters are best, and compressed PDFs will upload faster and load more smoothly for your visitors. After selecting your file, enter a name and any details you want. The name is what you'll see inside your assets and what your team will recognize. In the details or description, you can include notes like the intended funnel, the version number, or a quick summary of what the file contains. This makes it easier to track and reuse later. When you're ready, click Create File. ClickFunnels will process the upload and add it to your downloads library. Once it appears, you'll know it's saved and available for use in your funnels and communications. From here, you can reference the file when building pages, confirmations, or delivery emails, so your audience can access it seamlessly. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep a consistent naming convention, like Lead Magnet Checklist V1, so updates are easy to manage. If you make changes later, upload the new version with a clear increment. Finally, after it's created, preview the file on your end to confirm it opens correctly and looks good. That's all you need to add a PDF or digital file on ClickFunnels. Keep your assets organized and you'll save time every time you build a new funnel.